If the line x upon 3m plus y upon 4n is equal to 1, where m is not equal to 1 and n is not equal to 1, touches the ellipse x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is 1, then which of the following statements is true? N square is m square upon m square minus 1, n square is m square upon m minus 1, n square is m square plus 1 upon m minus 1, or n square is m square plus 1 upon m square minus 1. Now, in this question, we have an ellipse. This is a standard ellipse, obviously, and we have a line. And we have to find the condition if this line x upon 3m plus y upon 4n is equal to 1, is it tangent to the ellipse or not? Now, when does a straight line becomes a tangent to any curve? When it touches the curve at one and only one point. Okay, so let's do that. So if I solve the equation of the ellipse, which is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1, to get the point, let's replace y from the straight line equation to the ellipse. So y upon 4n is equal to 1 minus x upon 3m, or y is equal to 4n minus 4n upon 3m into x. Now replace this value of y in the equation of ellipse. So it is 16x square plus 9 times 4n minus 4n x upon 3m whole square is equal to 144. I just took the LCM and solved for the ellipse directly. So it will be equal to 16x square plus 36n minus, okay, my bad, it will be a square first. 9 times 16 n square plus 16n square x square upon 9m square minus 32n square x upon 3m is 144. 16x square plus 16 9 ja 144n square plus 16n square x square upon m square minus 96n square x upon m is equal to 144. Taking the LCM, or let's just rearrange the x square terms. It will be x square or 16x square 1 plus n square upon m square minus 96 n square upon m into x plus 144 n square minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is ax square plus bx plus c equivalent to that. This is a quadratic equation in x. Now, if the straight line touches at only one point, then the discriminant will be 0 for this quadratic equation. So b square minus 4ac is 0, and this will give the condition. So b square would be 96 n square upon m minus 96 n square upon m whole square minus 4 into a would be 16 1 upon 1 plus n square upon m square 4a into c. C is 144 n square minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's equate this. It will be 96 into 96 into n power 4 upon m square is equal to 4 into 16 into 144 into m square plus n square upon m square into n square minus 1. 16 6 ja 3 3 is a 9 gone. So what remains are m square gone. What remains is n power 4 is equal to m square n square minus m square plus n power 4 minus n square. N power 4 gone. So it is m square plus n square is m square n square. Or if you take LCM, it will be m square is m square n square minus n square. Take n square common, m square minus 1. So n square is m square upon m square minus 1. This is the answer. N square is m square upon m square minus 1. So I plan to provide or upload solutions to all the questions from CAT exam. I know it happens session wise. So if you want to see more answers from me for CAT exam, we seek admissions for IIT Delhi Abu Dhabi campus. Uh, please subscribe to the channel, CAT Sure, and comment what else do you want to see. Thank you.